Discover the future of electronic grading. Remark Office 12 now provides you with an AI assistant. Accessing your smart assistant has never been easier. Open Remark, and from the main screen Data Center, you'll find the AI assistant icon at the bottom right. Click it and start your journey with your personal assistant. The AI assistant is ready to answer all your questions. From defining answer templates in the template editor to generating results, reports, and saving grade files, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Here's a practical example. For example, you can ask how to generate the best reports to analyze student performance and compare pre- and post-assessments. Or ask how to export an Excel file with student grades, percentages, and final scores. You can even ask how to create and modify an answer key within Remark. Speak in the language you prefer. The AI assistant supports multiple languages, regardless of the Remark interface language. You can easily choose your preferred language. Simple steps to change your assistant's language. From the top of the Data Center screen, click Tools or press F9. A window will open. Click on Display. At the bottom, find AI Assistant Language and choose your preferred option. Then click OK to save and start using your assistant in the selected language. The best part? No need to restart the program. Just save your settings and reopen the assistant. Your language is applied instantly. Enjoy a seamless experience with the AI assistant in Remark Office 12, helping you grade paper exams and analyze data. The future is here. Excellence is in your hands. Contact us now and request your free trial.